probably wondering what I'm up to. Something all the time. But are y'all ready for Halloween? I said, are y'all ready for Halloween? If you are, go ahead and stay tuned to this video. Go ahead and watch my little intro. Did you? I don't think y'all heard what I said. Go ahead and stay tuned. I'm going to have to get Queen Key and Keisha after y'all. Don't play with it. Now, stay tuned to the video. Watch my intro, and I'll be back with y'all soon. QueenKey83. 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 Welcome back to my channel. Keep babies and keep popping. How y'all doing out there? Hopefully y'all doing good, and hopefully y'all ready for what? Halloween. Check me out first. You know what I'm saying? Check what? Bow. Bow. For real. I'm ready. I'm ready for Halloween. Y'all got my little boots. I'm a little witch boots. I'm gonna be a good witch. I ain't gonna be no bad witch. I'm a good witch. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's get into this video. I gotta be more serious, y'all. Okay. So this is Xpluswear. They reached out to me and was like, hey, kid, go ahead, you know what I mean, do that video you do. Because I keep the vibe going, and y'all see that code at the bottom of y'all screen? Go ahead and go to their website and use that Queen15 and get 15% off your purchase. Not only that, right now, they're running a deal on their Halloween costumes. So this is what they have in store. And they're cute. Like, look at that one right there. Cute. And you can also purchase the ones that I have. Like right here, I'm a spider girl, a spider woman, a bad spider, a good spider. Yeah, first of all, check out my earrings. Quit playing with me. I told you I'm a spider. They're from Amazon. We talking about Xpluswear right now. I'm just letting y'all know. They have accessories on their website too that you can purchase on Xpluswear, and you can get earrings. I think they have shoes, whatever you need to go with your outfit. Anyways, and when you purchase it, they even give you a little bag, a little tote bag. Look at that. Say Happy Halloween on there. Packaged up. And I thought that was so neat, y'all. So this is the first outfit. Let me quit talking because I don't want this video to be too long. So these stockings is like a whole body outfit, y'all. I just put them on as stockings, the little holes in there. Anyways, you can purchase these. I think they got some on their website as well. If not, I did get these off of Shein. I'm just keeping it real. I did get these. I think maybe Ross got them, somebody else got them, and y'all know Thootie has to be in the picture. I know, baby, Thootie, you just have to be up here. He got to do the video with me. He got to. But anyway, this is the first outfit. This is a web spider girl outfit, spider woman outfit.
You know who I am, ain't had to say my name. Stack it up like Tetris, but this money ain't a game. Watch too expensive, ain't no way I'm getting caught. I think I'm so sexy, every shirt I own is cropped. So many carries me on his cake, bringing chopsticks. I get money, I'm a star.
Okay, on to the next.
My accent, and niggas wear shit, pretending he don't understand me. So we can talk again, yo, the country beat. I'm cheaper than my accent, and niggas wear shit, pretending he don't understand me. So you could do whatever, cause you a simple bitch. I do what these niggas do, I'm tired, ain't no hypocrites. I'ma throw a
Okay, y'all. I'm about to be somebody's nurse. Can it be you? I'll be your nurse, baby. Even you. I'm ready. What's up? Y'all like this outfit? I told you. Xpluswear got me going on, okay? I'm feeling sexy. I'm looking good. What's up? I'm ready to go party. If y'all like these outfits, most definitely get on their website and order now before it be out of stock. Because everybody gonna want one of these outfits once they see me in it, baby. Yes, I'm a plus size woman. And I'm rocking it. This is sexy as I don't know what. I rate this a 10. It covers up my little fat arms a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I can still move in it. It is like, I guess, you know, on Halloween it might be a little bit cooler. It depends on what state you in. And where I'm at is normally gonna be a little bit cooler. So I'm most definitely gonna step out on this part of my body to be warm. I don't know about these legs. And then the shoes that I want to wear with this, I want to get the boots that go up. You know, I love boots. That's another video on another day. This is Xpluswear. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all this outfit. Okay, so the next outfit I got from Xpluswear was the mermaid outfit. I gave that to someone because their daughter dressed up as a mermaid, and so I decided to go ahead and give that to her as a gift. You know what I'm saying? So she could dress up like her daughter. But this is how it looked on me. That was me. I was a little mermaid. I was a big mermaid, okay, with a little bit of rose, whatever like that. But I just wanted to show y'all that outfit. So now I'm about to go into the next outfit. Okay, this is the last outfit. You know, I had to come with Michael. Dirty Diana. They thing this year. Y'all make sure to use that code at the bottom of the screen and go ahead and get these outfits before they be sold out. I really like this one. And like I said, depending on what state you're in, on what the weather could be, these got little leggings on there. You know what I'm saying? To keep you warm. This right here is, you know, you got your skin out, you got your cheeks out a little bit. It depends on how big that thing is in the back. And I like this. It's not, I can pull this down some, but I like this. Like, this is really cute. It's comfortable. You can do stuff. You can dance if you're going to the club. And just be you, baby. It's Halloween. But really, you being somebody else. But go ahead and shop with them. And I need y'all to do one more thing for me. I don't know why y'all didn't. Y'all should already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, I said like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, and share me out. Do the TLC. Hey, don't be your hater. Y'all better go ahead and shop with Xpluswear. Until next year, I will see y'all then.